So now this is evaluating limits by rationalizing. So as we said before, that factoring and rationalizing, so when we substitute, it will be 0 over 0. So in this question, they've asked us limit as x approaches 25 for 5 minus the square root of x over 25 minus x. So the first thing we will do is copy paste it down as it is. So 5 minus square root of x over 25 minus x. We multiply it up and down but change the sign. So here it will be 5 plus square root of x, and down would be 5 plus square root of x. So what do we do now? We multiply. So 5 times 5, 25. Negative square root of x times positive square root of x would be negative x. 25x minus x and 5 plus square root of x, we'll copy it paste down. So it would be 25 minus x and 5 plus square root of x. So there is a common factor, which is 25 minus x, and we will cancel it out. We're left with 5 plus square root of x. So what do we do now? 5 plus the square root, we substitute x by 25, and the answer would be 1 over 10. So the second question is limit as x approaches 4 for square root of x minus 2 over x minus 4, so the direct substitution 0 over 0. So the first step is to copy paste it as it is down. So square root of x minus 2 over x minus 4. We focus only on the numerator because it has the square root. We copy paste it up and down, just switch up the signs. So square root of x plus 2, square root of x plus 2. So now we put each one in separate brackets to know that we are multiplying it, and then we start multiplying. So first, square root of x times square root of x is x, and minus 2 times 2 would be negative 4. And the denominator, will bring it down as it is, so x minus 4 and square root of x plus 2. So the common factor here is x minus 4, so we cancel it out. So we're left with the square root of x plus 2. What do we do now? We just substitute x by 4. So square root of 4 plus 2 is 4, so the answer would be 1 over 4. So for the third question, limit as x approaches 7, square root of x plus 2 minus 3 over x minus 7. So the first step is to copy paste it down as it is. So square root of x plus 2 minus 3 over x minus 7. So what do we do on the other side? We said we just focus on the numerator because it has the square root. We write it the same as it is, just switch the sign. So square root of x plus 2 plus 3 and square root of x plus 2 plus 3. We put each one in different brackets, so we multiply it. After we finish, we multiply. So square root of x plus 2 times square root of x plus 2 would be x plus 2, and then negative 3 times 3 would be negative 9. And then the denominator would be the same as it is, so x minus 7 and square root of x plus 2 plus 3. So now there's a problem because we don't have any common factors. So what should we do? We should only minus 2 by 9. So 2 minus 9 is negative 7. So here it would be negative x minus 7. And we write the denominator the same as it is. It's x square root of x plus 2 and plus 3. So now we have a common factor, which is x minus 7. We cancel it out. We're left with x square root of x plus 2 plus 3. So instead of x, we substitute it by 7. So 7 plus 2 square root plus 3 will give us 6. So the final answer would be 1 over 6.